Good morning, Ansh Patel, Manya.
One, two, three,
Good morning,
4,
students.
5,
What happened? Nobody is replying, huh?
Morning, ma'am.
Yes, you should wish the teacher yourself. When your class begins, you should wish your teacher. Here I am wishing you, and then also you're not replying.
आप बिनो
Yuvraj Singh, Aradhya Singh, mute yourself.
3, 4, 5.
Aradhya Singh.
Bonjour, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Aradhya Singh is not listening to me.
Bonjour, madam, ma'am.
Who is saying bonjour? Shiza Fatima. Open your camera, everybody. I want to see you. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
See, children, can you hear Aradhya Singh? What she's doing on her phone? She's playing on her phone. So what shall we do?
Ma'am, he is playing game.
Yes, she's playing game and she's not listening to me. Shall I remove her from the class? Is she disturbing all of us? Should she be removed from the class?
9, 10.
ना सुनो समझे नहीं ये 9 कितने हैं ये 9 लिखें
Aradhya Singh,
एक ये निकल गया
I'm last time calling out your name.
निकल गया
Okay, now I will remove this girl.
अब ये निकल गया तो इधर कितने रह गए गिरा इधर ये निकल गया
Fine. Now see, the whole class is so disciplined. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Children, yes. Good morning, beta. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Children, yesterday all of you completed the key points of chapter 1. I had written on the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. All of you attended the class. Is there anybody who did not attend the class yesterday? Raise your hands. Okay, Eman Ahmed and anybody else who did not attend the class yesterday?
And last time we have also do 3 periods of history.
Yes, key points and then the explanation of 3 periods of history. Okay, Shiza Fatima also did not do the work. Okay, Shiza and Eman Ahmed, did you check the class group? I had sent the work on the class group. Did you check your class group yesterday? Yes or no, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
did you see the SST work? Did you find the work?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. Eman, okay, you also checked the group. So have you completed the work?
And that work we have to do in notebook.
Yes, you're supposed to do that work in your notebooks. So again, go back, take a screenshot. Please keep that work safe and do it in your SST notebooks. Okay, those who have not done. Because okay, I will send you the work again. Don't worry. All of you, I will just send you the work. If you missed it yesterday, you can do it today. Just wait.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of what bagan?
What is the?
And what heading we have to put? Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of what bagan?
Ma'am.
Wait, beta, one by one. One person is already asking me a question, no? What is the meaning of what?
To begin in ancient
Okay,
period.
it's not began, it's began. Began is the past form of the word begin. Now, what does begin mean? Begin means to start. So when we talk about begin in the past tense, we make it began. Okay.
And what wording we have to put on top of the page?
I will tell you. Just check. Wait, beta, wait. Just check in your class group right now. All the 6 key points I have sent. You should see the heading and everything.
Ma'am, I will do in notebook.
You have to do this work in your notebook, those who have not done. Okay? Don't get confused. Don't do it twice. Those who have done will not do it. And then later, this 3 periods of history. Is that fine? That's the complete work that is supposed to be done in your SST copy. Now, all of you know which copy is to be made for SST? The copy that is blank from one side and has got lines on the other side. Very good, Manya. Okay, ruled on one side only. The other side should be blank. Why? Because we are going to make a lot of pictures, a lot of diagrams, you can say. Fine? Is it clear to everyone? Show me a thumbs up. Okay. Now, how many of you in the class do not have your SST books? Okay. Akshaj, Ansh, Adhya.
Ma'am, I have SST book.
All right. How many of you have your books? Show me in front of the camera. I want to see all your books. Those who have got their books. Keep them in your hand. Let me count. How many of you have? If you have your book, show it to me on the camera. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. 6 of you have your books. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, the ones who have their books will read out this lesson today. Okay? Let's start reading. Manya, let's begin from you. Let me see how do you people, read.
Ma'am, today what work we have to do?
Beta, today we are... Beta, from the beginning, chapter 1, understanding history, like that. Okay? Beta, we are doing reading of chapter 1 today.
Ma'am, please send me question answer of chapter history.
Now, Mubashira, did you attend your class yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we only did the written work of key points. We have not yet started the question answers. Because so many of you do not have your SST books till now. The key points I have sent the work again today on the class group. So if you have not done, you will do that work. Now, whosoever wants to ask me anything.
Ma'am, today we have to do key points.
We are doing reading today. Now, whosoever has to ask anything will type in the chat box. Nobody will disturb in between. While the reading is going on, nobody will speak in between. Okay? What if you have any query, either raise your hand or type in the chat box. Okay, Manya, begin.
Chapter 1, understanding history. What is history? History is the study of the past. History tells us about important events that had once happened. It tells us about many peoples in the past, that they did the things they used and to food they ate.
The food they ate.
We also learn about kings and kingdoms, read wars and battles. History is also an account of events that have happened in the past. The historian is a person who 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, please let me in from my computer.
Released in the study
There is
of
no
history.
request also. I have not restricted any participant. You can enter the meeting.
No, ma'am, in that it was showing that the host removed you from this meeting.
Yes, I removed you. You are Aradhya. You want to play on your mobile in the class, huh? 10 times I told you to mute yourself.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, I want to tell that, ma'am, from my phone, my small brother will be doing classes. That's why I was joining from my computer.
But you were playing from your mobile. Open your camera once. Let me see your face, Aradhya.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
you see?
You were on your phone. I called out your name 10 times. Aradhya, mute yourself, and you were not replying only. That is why I removed you. How do you enter the class when you attend your online class? How are you supposed to be? If you're doing some work of your own, which is very urgent, you should mute yourself and sit. Right? The whole class was being disturbed because of you. That is why I removed you.
Okay.
Yes, Manya.
Evening in the study of history. We study history to learn about the past and understand change. History is full of stories of different peoples in different times. It also
It also makes us appreciate
customs and habits left behind by our
ancestors. Okay, stop.
ancestors.
Okay, now children, when we study this chapter, when we read this chapter, what do we come across? What do we see in this chapter? First of all, we see what is history. When we are studying history, anybody knows what is history? Can anybody tell me?
Ma'am, I can tell Ansh Patel.
Yes, tell beta.
History is the study of the past.
Very nice. Something that has happened a long time back in the past is called history. So we say in simple words, we say history is the study of the past. Everybody speak.
History is the study of
The past. Very nice. History is the study of the past. Now, what are the people called who study history? What are those people called? Tell me. Yes. Yes, Manya? Historians. So if I ask you what are historians, everybody answer. Who are historians?
historians that read history.
Historians are people who study history.
Historians are people that study history.
Very nice. Very good. So, when we study history, we learn so many things. Now, what is there in history? What is there? What do we study in history? Tell me. We study different stories. What do we study in history? We study different stories of different people in different times. Okay?
We study in history.
We study stories. We read stories
Study story
of
of
different people of different times. Some stories belong to the ancient period, while some stories belong to the medieval period, and some are from the modern period. So we say we study stories of different people in different times. Different things have happened in different periods.
in different people of different times.
Very nice, very nice. And when we study, when we read about these different stories, we also praise and appreciate. What do you mean by appreciate? Can anybody tell me? What is the meaning of appreciate?
Ma'am, तारीफ करना.
Very good, Arsalan. Very nice. So do your parents appreciate you when you do something good? Your parents appreciate you, children?
Yes,
ma'am. Do your teachers appreciate you when you do something good?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Like how I appreciated Arsalan right now, because he gave the correct answer. So we also, when we study, when we see different customs and good habits, we also appreciate, we also praise it a lot. And these good habits and rich customs are left by, who has taught us these good habits? The people that used to live in the past. Now they are not alive. These people are called ancestors. The people that once used to live but now are not alive, they are called our ancestors. So they have left very good habits and rich customs for us. And we appreciate them. We praise these customs a lot. So we also, what do? Everybody speak. We appreciate rich customs
We appreciate
and good habits left by our ancestors.
left by
our ancestors.
Okay. If I ask you a question, what have our ancestors left for us? What have they left for us? Tell me.
our ancestors left good habits for us.
Very nice, Arsalan. Very nice. Our ancestors have left rich customs and good habits for us. Okay, everybody speak. Our ancestors have left rich customs
and
habits. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Now, who will read next? Arsalan, you have your book? Arsalan, you have your book? Okay, now it's your turn to read.
Ma'am, I have to read?
We left from, it also makes us appreciate the rich customs and habits left by our ancestors. Now, do you have some important people of the past? You have this thing in your book? No? Manya, do you have, what do you have next, Manya, in the book?
Ma'am, periods of history.
Okay, we have periods of history. Do you have this activity DIY? Find out who you are. Do you have this activity in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manya, do you have? Yes. So everybody just take 5 minutes and fill it out. Fill out all the details given here. What are they asking? Names of your grandparents. Is it written there? Manya, read out. What are they asking? What all details?
name of your parents, name of your parents, your birthday, time of your birth, the city where you born, the name of your first school, the year you joined first school, your first teacher name, the
Ma'am,
teacher
it is second
your
chapter.
It is the
First
first
friend.
chapter, beta. Understanding history, the first chapter. Okay, those who do not have the book, you can do this in your rough copy. I will just send you the picture of the details that are asked from you. See.
Ma'am, I searched it.
Yes? What are you saying?
Ma'am, I searched it.
Very good, very nice. Now those students
Ma'am,
who
I
don't have,
searched
good beta, good. Those students who don't have the book, please check your class group, check your WhatsApp group. You can write all these details in your rough copy. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Do this work.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very good.
जब जाते हैं
हम बाजार,
जब जाते हैं हम बाजार,
पापा लेकर जाते कर.
पापा लेकर Ma'am, I done.
All of you have done?
Yes,
Do it.
ma'am. Ma'am, I am doing.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. There are children who are doing. Just take your time and do it. We don't have to rush.
राशि इधर आ पेन पेंसिल की नुकियां दे रहा
Anshraj, mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I am also done.
Ma'am, I have.
Is there anybody still doing it? Is there anybody who is still doing? Okay, that means everyone has done.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let us proceed. What is the meaning of proceed? Anyone knows what is the meaning of proceed? Let's proceed. Means let's move ahead. Let's continue.
To move forward.
Yes, move forward. Very nice. Very good. So let's move forward with the next thing. Yes, Arsalan, read out the 3 periods of history.
A historian, much like a detective, looks for evidence and clues and puts them together. The understanding of series of events, historians look at many objects used in the past to learn about the people who used them. These objects are called source of history.
Beta, where are you reading? Manya, is he reading right?
Ma'am, there was history. The history is past of a continue.
In my book, it is given different. What is given in your book, Manya? Read periods of history.
Ma'am, history is the vast of continuous.
Yes. Arsalan, where are you reading? What is the page number, Manya? Tell him.
Ma'am, page number 8.
Page number 8. Arsalan.
Ma'am, I said, history is the base of communication.
Okay, wait. History is vast and continuous. Not waste. It's not waste.
Okay, ma'am. Historians have divided it into 3 parts: ancient history, medieval history, and modern history. This makes studying history easier. Ma'am, this.
Yes, this. You have to read this.
The ancient period starts from the time life began on the earth. During the time humans learned to speak, write, grow their own food, and build houses. The medieval period is also known as the Middle Ages. By this time, humans had already begun living in large kingdoms.
Already, by this time, humans had already begun
living in large kingdoms.
yes, begun living in
learn
large
about-
kingdoms.
We learn about great kings and explorers who discover many unknown parts of the world during this period. The modern period refers to the history of recent times. This period extends of the present where many new events and ideas have
Inventions.
changed.
Inventions, better, not events. Inventions.
Inventions and ideas have changed the world.
Very nice. So now when we read about the 3 periods of history, we see that history is very vast. Vast is like wide and big. So is there any particular date from where history started? Is there any particular date, children? Or is there any particular year from which history started? No, there is no particular age. There is no particular date, sorry. History began when life began on the earth. History has started from that period and it is prevailing till now. It is continuing till now because what it is today will become history tomorrow. After 5 years from now, even today will become what? Today will become history. Isn't it? When you will talk about 2021 in year 2025. Yes?
Ma'am, history is too long.
Yes, it's too vast and it is also continuous. Vast because it has started long back and it is continuous because it will go till all the lifetime, till the lifetime. So there is no starting date, there is no end date. That is why we call it continuous. So now it is so vast that it has been divided into 3 periods. The first period is the ancient period from where life began on earth, where the earth was started. It started from then. Then there was the second period was the Middle Ages, the medieval period. Yes, the medieval period comes between the ancient time and the modern time, right?
Ma'am, it is also called the Middle Ages.
Yes, the medieval period is also called the Middle Ages. Then when we talk about the modern times is the history of the recent ages, of the recent period. Like what happened a year back is also history. So that comes under modern history. Is that fine? And in modern history, we learn about different inventions, different ideas that have changed the world. We talk about different technologies that have come. So there are 3 different periods and we can explain all 3 periods differently because life is altogether different in all the periods of history. Isn't it?
Ma'am,
Next, yes.
the periods of history, there is pictures also.
Yes, now you can see in these pictures, in ancient period, see what people are wearing. They have worn animal skin. How they are cooking their food? They are cooking their food that the fire they have created. They have created, see, there is no gas stove. There are no chimneys. There are no electric plates. There are no hot plates. How they are cooking their food and what kind of food they are cooking? They have hunted their food to fill their stomach to eat food. They used to hunt, right? They used to hunt animals. They used to hunt anything they found around themselves. And they used to cook it on fire. This fire, how did they create this fire? Do you know? How was fire created? Because at that time, the matchstick or matchboxes were not there. Yes, Manya. Yes.
Ma'am, and there was no salt, no mirchi.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, they fire with stones.
How did they used to make fire?
Ma'am, with stones.
Yes, very nice. They used to rub 2 stones together and it used to create fire. That is how they collected woods and everything and they had to light them up. They had to give fire to the woods to cook their food. Then in the medieval period is of the kings and the emperors who had explored, who had conquered so many kingdoms. See, they discovered many unknown parts of the world. The medieval period is about the kings and the queens who had conquered various parts of the world. Then we come to the modern period. Now see what we see, the invention of trains. Can you see a train made there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have seen.
Very nice. So we had so many inventions in the modern period. We have seen the invention of phones, light, fan, machines. So many different things were invented in this period. This train, the railways and everything got invented here. Earlier when there was no railway, nothing, how did people used to commute to far off places? By using what? By using what? No, trains. Better trains belong to the modern period. I am asking for the ancient period. They used to walk down long distances. What did they used to do? They used to walk down long distances, or they had just invented the carts, horse carts, camel carts.
Horse carts, bull
Yes.
carts, camel carts,
Yes.
horse carts, and bull carts also.
Yes. Now we have the inventions of trains and all. And when we will move ahead, our children, your children are going to study about.
Ma'am, in medieval period, there were ships.
There were ships. Yes, we can see the ships sailing. These are not ships, beta. These are the sailboats. What are these? These are sailboats that are drawn in the picture. Yes. So we have all these three different periods of history that we study here. Now, children, it's time for your next class. Please go and check your link for the next class. Okay, let's end it here. Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.